Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ito po yung likod, si Jordan Makine. And today, we'll be reviewing one of the most requested units here in my channel. The Jingji, it's a Jingjing SLR version 4. This unit is one of the high-end units that is available on the market. It's a very, very beautiful all nylon, but good quality. Oops, lots of trades. See, Amoeba, trades, beautiful engraved trades. SLR here, SLR, KSC suppressor, flip up Magpul Emboss Pro sights, very beautiful. And on the buttstock there ain't much. This is not the original mag, it got misplaced, so I'm using the mag from my SLR version 5. See, it has trades. The other mag, the original mag has trades also, but this is longer. Okay. When it comes to features, it has very premium features. Bolt latch. PDX also. PDX? No, SLR, sorry. SLR. Bolt latch. Bolt lock. Bolt lock release. Also on the other side, there's the traditional bolt lock release is also there. Nice. It has a actual moving. See, this moves individually from this one. So if you pull it like this, it will not roll, but if you pull at them from the both sides, it will release a lock here that lets you pull it, so you cannot accidentally pull. See, it has a very different, usually M4 has a screws here as a retaining pin, but this one is covered, and there's a cover. It has also a metal trigger. Comes with a hand stop, rails, aluminum suppressor, and it has an extended barrel up to here. So you can put a riser. Tutut. And it has a metal outer barrel also, metal rails, lock, so you can press this and this should fall, and the lock is missing. It's fine. It has an XT30 connection. I do not remember if this uses a magazine prime. Let's see. It has. It has good enough magazine. Press 2, so it will come out, and fits the Blitz. Best battery at the moment. So, then under, hold, so it's not that noticeable. And semi, full auto, And I think for this unit, it got upgraded different spring. Oh, one thing, not unique, but quite cool on this unit is that it has real ambidextrous fire selector. So if you're a lefty, like me, you can use this to change. But I'm quite used to this also. Have very good fingers. So it doesn't matter that much. Doesn't have an ambidextrous magazine release, unlike other models, but it's fine. Okay. This one is heavy and lots of metal parts, so around, it's less than 2 kilos, but it's quite heavy. It has a nylon gearbox, it's a magazine pran, and has lots of parts available in this one because it's a Jingji. It's one of the high-end models, so parts are everywhere. Oh, and this is also Amoeba. That's nice. It has a 480 long motor, so nice. Capacity, weight, FPS. This is a Jingji, so the stock nozzle has a leak. So it's usually 190 to 210 FPS stock. It has an aluminum nozzle, but it doesn't have a rubber? No. O-ring inside, so it leaks. Range, since it has a short barrel, around this is what? 7 inches or 180 millimeters. The barrel is quite short, so it's longer than an PDX or ARP9, so it's quite nice. And it's quite compact. Comparison to the recently reviewed Bohan HK416. You can see it's quite short. Even with the extended suppressor, this is still longer. And since this is gel blaster, barrel length doesn't add much range. So always remember, it's the proper combination of barrel length, cylinder size, removal of the leaks for the best accuracy and best FPS for your current spring. And the favorite thing of most people to know, price. In the Philippines, is around 7,000 to 8,000 depending on the seller. This is second hand, so it is cheaper. So, is this better than this? When it comes to upgradability, this is better. But it comes to performance, especially on a stock to stock comparison, it's more or less the same. Sometimes even better because this is has a longer barrel and less leaks than this one. So it depends. If you have excess cash, this one. If not, this one. Okay. What else? The Jingji depends on who will use it. If you have excess money, if you're rich, like my friends like Boss Jeffrey, I think he has 1 or 2 of these. This is okay. But if you're poor like me, better choose a different unit. Okay? If you have any questions, suggestions, violent reactions, just put it down in the comment section down below and I'll answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang sa muli, paalam! Bye-bye!